Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to make a video on Droideka from Star Wars. As you can see, it is a simple kit card that we will turn into an amazing model. Also, it takes less than 2 hours to print, so it's super simple and fast. First, let's separate all the parts from the border. I'm gonna fast forward here because it took some time to do it. When I was done with that, I started to glue some dual parts together to make it whole. First, I glued the core together, then the head. After that, I glued, I don't know what it is, it looks like some top head part that aliens have, and then the legs. The last part was guns. I guess it's hands with guns or whatever. After that, I cleaned the model a little bit with my Dremel that I ordered from AliExpress. Not sponsored. At some point I understood that I needed to change the head on the Dremel to get to the hard to get places. No pun intended. When I was done with the cleaning, I decided to fit everything together to see how it looks and if everything is alright. Everything looked good, so I disassembled the whole thing to prepare for the painting. Before painting though, I decided to go over all the pieces with sandpaper to make them even smoother. I made this model about 6 months ago or even more. As you can see, I still paint on my desk, I do not have my paint box. I don't think I even thought about it at that time. I don't even have all my drawers printed on the background that you see missing on the bottom. I painted most of the pieces with silver to give it a metallic look, and for several parts I used bronze. I didn't go for rust color or war-torn metal or anything like that because the model is very simple and I used way too much time on this than I could have had. If you are making this model, you can just leave it as one color and it will look amazing as well. As you saw before I painted, I assembled it and you could see that it looks great. I must say I might have overdid it a little bit on the post-processing since it is a simple kit card model, but nonetheless I'm very happy with the result. Just look how it looks. It's a great piece for a Star Wars fan and collector. Thanks for watching this video, I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did, let me know in the comments down below if you have any tips or tricks for me or what you want to see me print and paint next. Have a great day, I'll see you in the next one.
Gods have my command, layer by layer building life. Smooth the edges, sharpen the knife. Clean my nightmares under light. Brushstrokes whisper in the night. Colors bleed and shapes awake. Crafting heroes, hearts that break.